We turned this pre-framed and insulated room into a traditional sauna. Here is exactly how we did it. The first step is to choose where the contactor box will go. All of the sauna's wires will connect here.
Next, we installed the soundbar support and ran the power wire to the contactor box. After that, we chose our inlet and outlet vent locations and built supports for them. While the electrician ran power, we started on the vapor barrier. This helps insulate and keep moisture in the sauna. Start on the bottom and work up. After the electrician finished his work, we ran necessary wires before installing all of the vapor barrier.
Make sure to cut holes for your wires so you don't lose them. Here we added the rest of the vapor barrier on the sides and ceiling.
After covering the sauna with a vapor barrier, we then went to work on installing the tongue and groove boards on the ceiling. The back wall came next.
Next, we installed the two side walls. We cut out the outlet vent and attached a sliding door. Lastly, we installed the tongue and groove boards on the front wall. This sauna had U-shaped benching. We installed the supports for the main upper and lower benches first. Screw into the wall studs so your supports are not hanging on tongue and groove boards only.
The two side benches have supports that attach to the front wall.
These benches will also connect to the main bench with two bolts underneath. After installing all of the benches, the ceiling and corner trim go up next.
The backrests are installed after that. The top of the backrest typically sits 18 to 20 inches above the bench.
Next, we cut out the inlet vent behind the heater. This step can be completed earlier in the sauna build.
Then we installed the temperature sensor, which goes above the sauna heater. When packing rocks in the heater, leave enough space for airflow. Lastly, the door and trim are installed.